Hi, my name is Janolo and I'm the founder of Janolo. Janolo, it's an international art platform, so I sell some artists and illustrators' work. It's digital prints only. I have a local printer worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, when you place the order, it's the closest production center that prints the piece of art and send it to the client. First, to challenge my actual organization. My brand is about producing on demand, it's about sustainability, it's about creativity. I think most of the business wants to go towards sustainability and new ways of consuming, but it's really hard to trace everything. So I think it's really important, this workshop, for me to help analyze how we could improve this side, so improve the actual business.
Hello, my name is Elise Rugi. I'm a master's student here at EBS Genève, and I'm studying luxury marketing. So it was a supply chain workshop with a small business, Janolo. Our task for the week was to digitalize her supply chain and give her a very detailed business plan that she could implement in the future. So my group, we first focused on implementing a blockchain technology for her to be more transparent and traceable with her products. She's very focused on the ethics and sustainability of the clothing that she is selling, so we thought it would be best to implement this blockchain technology that can track and trace everything from the starting point. And then lastly, since she also sells art on her digital store, we are suggesting that she uses non-fungible tokens to really protect the copyright of this artist work. And so an NFT is a digital piece of art, basically. It could be art, music, videos, but that's what we are suggesting for her.
My name is Guy Weiss. I started my career with a consulting firm called Accenture, and after that I started my own enterprise. And I'm specialized in supply chain, and specifically on traceability in supply chain. I guess it's something which is demanded by the students because we are in real life. Our parameters are really real-life business parameters. All these new trends, blockchain and so on, even the digital art, it's a really, would say, something that is currently required to do business in a new way.
I really enjoyed this workshop. This workshop gave us the ability to be very creative and innovative, and it was also great to work firsthand with a company, have some real-life experience. I feel like we'll be very well prepared after this.